Hello friends, hello little builders, it's me Ryan, welcome to our super fun crafting day. I am so excited you are here with me. Today we are going to do something amazing. We will turn simple cardboard boxes into the coolest toys ever. Look at what we are going to make. We will build a super cool cardboard car that you can vroom all around. We will also make a very friendly robot friend who is always ready to play. These toys are so much fun, and the best part is, we get to make them together. Are you ready to be a toy maker with me? It's going to be awesome. Okay, builders. Before we start, we need to gather our special materials. It's like going on a treasure hunt in your house. Let's see what we need to find. First, we need cardboard boxes. Find one medium-sized box for our super cool car. Then, one smaller box for our friendly robot's body. Ask your grown-up helper to pick the best ones. Next on our list is tape. We need good, strong tape, child-safe scissors for you, and a box cutter only for your grown-up. 4 bottle caps for wheels, or 4 small paper plates. A straw or a thin wooden stick called a dowel for the axles. Decorations, markers, crayons, child-safe paint, glue, stickers, shiny foil, and soft fabric. Having everything ready makes building easier and more fun. Alright team, before we build, we have to talk about something super important. It's our #1 rule, safety first. Always have a grown-up helper with you. Your mom, your dad, or another big person is your building partner. Grown-ups handle the tricky parts and sharp tools. You can use your child-safe scissors only if your adult says it's okay. Small parts are for building, not for tasting. Wear an old t-shirt or apron and cover the table to keep things clean. Keep wipes nearby for clean, happy hands. Rule 1, have a helper. Rule 2, adults use sharp tools. Rule 3, small parts stay away from mouths. Rule 4, dress for mess. Okay, little builders, it's time for the first big step. Let's build the body of our super awesome cardboard car. Go and get your medium-sized cardboard box. First, we make a comfy spot for the driver. Ask your grown-up to cut the flaps off one long side. Now the top is open, just like a cool convertible. Put your favorite teddy inside to go for a ride. Fold loose parts inside to make thicker walls and tape everything strong and smooth. Smooth the edges so there are no pokey bits. Next, add a window or a door for even more fun. Peekaboo, a perfect window, or a flap door, open, climb in and close. Vroom. Open top, strong sides, and a window or door, our body is ready. Great job, builder. Every amazing car needs wheels to go. These will be our tires. Grown Up makes 2 holes on each side, lined up for the axle. The axle is a stick that helps the wheels spin. Push it all the way through the car. Carefully attach 1 wheel to each end. Grown Up can help with stronger glue. Front and back. Now we have 2 axles and 4 wheels. Make sure they can spin. Hooray! Our car can roll. A car needs a steering wheel too. Ask your grown-up to cut a circle. Tape the circle to a small tube. Attach it in front of the driver. Now you can steer left and right. Add a cozy seat, and our rolling car is ready to play. We finished our amazing car, and now it's time for a new project. This will be the main body of our robot. Make sure the box is strong. Tape the lid so it won't open. Use a smaller box for the head and tape it to the body. Make it secure so it won't wobble. Look, our robot is taking shape. Does it look like a robot to you? It sure does to me. Building with boxes is like giant building blocks. You're a fantastic architect. We've built a strong body and a smart head. What comes next? Arms to wave hello and legs to stand. Get ready to give our robot awesome arms and legs. Our robot needs to be able to wave and stand. Cut 2 long, skinny cardboard arms. Tape 1 arm to the left side. Tape the other arm to the right. Pose them any way you like. Use 2 little boxes or rolled tubes for legs and feet. Tape them on and make sure your robot stands tall. Look, our robot has arms and legs. Now, the most important part, its face. Add 2 big eyes, stickers or bottle caps. Give it a cute nose. Draw a great big smile and tiny eyebrows. What a wonderful, happy robot face. This is my favorite part. Time to decorate. Grab markers, crayons, and stickers. Headlights yellow, taillights red. Add doors, windows, and your nameplate. Make stripes or happy polka dots, any colors you love. Stick on stars, animals, and a big racing number. Give our friendly robot a cool control panel with colorful buttons. Glue on round buttons, add rainbows and sparkly stars. Add a cape or a little scarf. So stylish. Wow! Just look at what we did. A fantastic, colorful car and a super friendly robot friend. Gently push your car on a tape road and let the robot wave hello. You did such a wonderful job today. I am so proud of you. Thank you for building with me, friends. Keep creating, keep smiling, and have gentle, happy fun.